In this video, I'll show you how to set course access expiration or lifetime access, depending on what you need for your students or users. Whether you're offering short-term courses or lifetime memberships, you'll want to control access to your content in a way that best suits your business model. Stick with me because I'll walk you through it in just a couple of minutes, and by the end, you'll be able to set course access expiration or lifetime access easily. When it comes to managing course access, the key decision is whether you want to limit access by time or offer lifetime access. If you want to set expiration dates for when access will end, it's typically done through a simple setting in your course platform. This will allow you to set a specific number of days or weeks that students can access your content after they enroll. Once that time is up, they won't be able to access the course anymore. Setting this up is straightforward. First, find your course in the software you're using. Look for settings like access settings or course permissions. You'll want to find an option labeled Expiration or something similar. Once you've located this, you can enter the number of days, weeks, or months you want students to have access to the course after they enroll. If you want to keep track, some platforms also let you send automated emails to remind students when their access is about to expire. On the other hand, if you want to give lifetime access, you just have to select the option that removes any expiration date. This is usually marked as lifetime or no expiration within the same access settings menu. This is ideal for those who want to offer ongoing access to course content, updates, and materials, even after the course is completed. Once this setting is activated, students can access the content indefinitely. Now, here's the best part. After trying the most popular course platforms, I found that the software we're using today offers the best solution for setting course access expiration or lifetime access. If you want to follow along and try this for yourself, I've left an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of that. To recap, setting a course access expiration is simple. Just find the expiration settings in your course platform and choose the duration for access. For lifetime access, select the no expiration option. Whether you're offering limited time access or lifetime membership, these settings are easy to adjust and customize for your needs. Key takeaway. The most important thing to remember is that setting course access expiration or lifetime access is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you manage your courses effectively. Decide what works best for you and your students and adjust accordingly. Don't forget, if you want to get started with the same software I showed you today, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.